Good morning, students. This is our English class. In English class, today we are going to learn new topic. What it is? Plurals. Okay? Plurals. Till now, whatever you have learned is only one thing. What it is? One thing. Okay? If there is a bird, okay, this one bird, in English you say a bird. What you say? A bird. Yes or no? Then if there is ball, this one ball, you say a ball. Okay? One tree, you say a tree. So see, they are in number 1, means single. So these are known as singular. What we call them? Singular. What we call them? singular. Singular. All are singular. One picture. One thing. If one thing, we say them singular. Then what is plural? Okay. Now see here. You are going on a way. You have seen three trees. There is not one tree. There are three. What you will say? You will say trees. What you will say? Trees. Because there are more than one. If anything more than one, we put in the end S. Okay? And we say it by putting the S. You know the normal spelling of tree is TREE. But here is more than one. So we will put one S and say trees. What we will say? Trees. Okay? Understand? So this is known as plural form. Plural form. One, it is singular. Okay? And we call it tree. And this is plural form. If one is there, you will say tree. If more than one, it is its plural. So you will say TREES, trees. Okay? Next, again. Here, one ball. What you will say? A ball or ball? Okay? Now, come to ball plural form. There are 5 balls. You will not say ball. More than one here. So you will say balls. What you will say? Balls. 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 Understand? So one is singular and more than one is plural. And at the end we put S. In plural we put S. Now come to our next topic. In some things we does not put s. We put es. Okay, in some plural form, we does not put at the end s. We write es. Where we put? Listen here. If a word ends in x, okay, here is x, then s ends in s, then sh, okay, then ch and double s, okay. If a word ends in x, s, sh, double ch and double s, when you say this word, hissing sound will produce like s. Okay. If the word end in this, in the plural form, we add es. What we write? Es. Understand? Now what it is? See here. F O X. Word end in X. What we will say? Plural form F E S. Foxes. This is singular. This is plural. Okay. F O X. End in X. Hissing sound. So you will write ES. In plural you will write ES. F O X ES. Then S. B U S. Bus. What is the end? End in S. So you will not write S. What you will write? ES. Right? B U S E S. Buses. Okay? Next, SH. DISH. Dish. And in SH. So, there we will put in the plural form ES. Dishes. 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 Okay? Dishes. Understand? Now come to the next. CH. TORCH. Touch. TORCH. Touch. Here word end in CH. So what you will write? TORCHES. Torches. Okay? CORCH. Torch. Torches. Understand? Now next, double S. Glass. GLASS. And in double S. What you will put in plural form? Glasses. 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 Here in all the words you have put in the plural form ES. Okay? Word that end in X, S, SH, CH and double S. We write ES in the end in the plural form. Understand? Not S. Okay? This is the concept. One means singular. More than one means plural. So if it is a boy, boys. Girl, girls. You will write S. But the word that end in X, S, HS, CH, double S, you will not write S. You will write ES in the plural form. Like BOX, box. If you write plural, you will write BOXES, boxes. Okay? Now come to our Oxford book. Page number 27. Page number 27. What it is written? Plurals. See the picture. There is 3 flowers. You will say flowers. 2 duck. You will say ducks. You will put S. Ducks. Ducks. Frog. Frogs. See the picture. More than one. Here box. Boxes. Then blouse. Blouses. Here watch. Watches. Bus. Buses. Now here bats. This is mats. This one cups. Here see torches. Then buses. Then glasses. Okay? Understand where we will write S and ES. So today's concept of singular and plural I have teach you, student. Now we will do the work in our class of today's concept teaching is over. We will do in our okay. Thank you, students.